Hi everyone, Adam Levine here. Welcome to the Adam Loves Guitar channel. So, rhythm motivates melody. You want to have a good idea of rhythmically where your notes are going to be placed. And so it's as simple as you could tap on a table for right now. You could just play one note, play a rhythm. If I take the note A and I pick that for my first note, now I want to get a rhythm going against the tempo or the chords. And again, I'm going to use this, so just kind of get this in your ear. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so I might play a rhythm like this on one note. You as an improviser, you need to paint. It's like painting by numbers. You need to paint in notes with that rhythm. Even if you go up the scale, it sounds good. Okay, so it's kind of fun. You have a rhythm and you have a scale, you have notes, and then you fill in that rhythm with notes. And did you notice that I answered the first idea that I played with the second idea? So if I have an idea, like what we call a motif, let's just use a rhythmic motif right now like this. And I want to answer that, well, I can do what's called imitation. I can do the same rhythm. And that would sound like this. Blues it up. Okay, so it's kind of fun to play with that, and you're testing yourself. Can you do that? Can you find the next note? If you can't, it's probably because you don't know the scale well enough. So go back, review the scale, make sure you know the notes that you're working. And you probably noticed on that last example, I ended it a little different, if I can remember what I did. See, I ended on this A, and then the second time I went to the octave A. So that's kind of a nice device too, is to move your octaves around and where you think you're going to land on this A, but I fooled the audience and I ended on this A. And this is a good time to bring up, again, we were talking about like how do you bring your audience in, and typically a listener, they like to have a certain amount of resolve. It's like you play something and they go, yeah, that feels right. That's the way it should go, and it makes them feel good. Like, hey, that's what I was thinking too, And then sometimes you want to use the element of surprise, like maybe you jump to a note, or you use a note that kind of has a certain color to it, and it sort of makes them like do the dog twist kind of thing, like what? But it's fun. It's kind of like the roller coaster turn, and so it wakes them up and go, whoa, what was that? And so that's the element of surprise. If you do too much of the element of surprise, then your listener's going to get frustrated. So that's something you need to find a balance where most of your solo is kind of flowing along the way melodies usually go. But every once in a while, maybe do something rhythmically or note-wise that the audience says, where did that come from? that was kind of cool. And then, well, where is he or she going to go with that? And so, think about that balance. All right. So again, the big thing to write down is rhythm motivates melody. You have a rhythmic concept of where you're going, and then you fill it in with notes. And that's going to change. It's not like you're going to do that perfect every time, but you have a general idea of rhythmically what you want to do with your solo. The last thing I want to say about this is, and we'll talk about this later on, but if you think about what kind of rhythms do you have available to you, you have quarter notes, you have eighth notes, you have triplets, you have 16th notes. Each one of those is a device unto itself, and you want to be able to mix and match, go from one to the other. And a solo that's just all eighth notes is kind of boring. And so let me show you a quick example. So here's quarter notes. Eighth notes. Triplets. So all of that can be mixed up, and then you can get into broken rhythms like now to me it was just one note, but I'm pulling my listener in because it's kind of a cool rhythm. It's like you're drumming on the note. Triplets. Broken sixteenths. Okay, rhythm motivates melody. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel on your way out. For more information on my signature guitar and musicianship courses, check out the information in the links below. Bye for now.